And India Today special investigation blows the lid off lax security and lax administration that makes you and I, the people of our country, so vulnerable to terror attacks like the terror attack at the Red Fort by a group of radical Islamist terrorist module of doctors from Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. The expose will show you how even after the Red Fort blast, 15 people were killed, a large number injured. Even now, bomb-making material, ammonium nitrate, NPK, fuel oil, other bomb-making ingredients are so readily available over the counter in Nuh in Haryana, in Sonipat and in Faridabad with absolutely no security, no tightening of administrative control despite the blast. You can go and buy any quantity you want, and the shopkeepers on camera, you will hear these shopkeepers say they will fudge data, they will fudge records, they will add documents just to fudge the records only if the price is right. We get you this India Today special investigation that shows you ammonium nitrate, fuel oil, NPK and other ingredients still available in large quantities and off the shelf in Haryana. India Today's undercover reporters, they travel to Nuh, they travel to Faridabad, they travel to Sonipat, and you will see it all on camera, on video. So on a hidden camera, you will see and hear shopkeepers willing to sell large quantities of ammonium nitrate, NPK, fuel oil. All of this is in gross violation of rules of 2012 that incidentally were updated in 2021. But the rules sadly remain confined only to the rule book. The question remains, what is the Haryana police doing? What is the administration doing? The suspected doctors terror module, they were able to procure more than 2,600 kilograms of NPK and 1,000 kilograms of ammonium nitrate for multiple terror attacks they had planned across the country. Now, India Today team, led by our undercover reporter Nitin Jain, we get you much more in this special exclusive investigation.
Investigators probing the Red Fort car bombing in Delhi claim that white-collar terrorists had managed to amass 2,600 kilograms of NPK and more than 1,000 kilograms of ammonium nitrate from the villages around the Al Falah University in Haryana's Faridabad district. In the aftermath, probe agencies have sealed the sales records of fertilizer shops in Nuh, Sona and Faridabad. But while the open sale of chemical fertilizers is prohibited, several outlets are selling them by fudging their records. Perhaps unaware that fertilizer chemicals like ammonium nitrate and urea are deadly when rigged with an IED. India Today's team went undercover to expose such outlets in Delhi, NCR and Haryana. We were surprised to find that within days of the Delhi blast, fertilizers like urea and NPK, fuel oil and explosives used in mining were easily available. These are the same ingredients used in the November 10th Red Fort blast. This is Suresh Fertilizer Store in Haryana's Akbarpur Bharota, where we inquired about DAP and NPK fertilizers from shopkeeper Ritesh.
डीपी मिल जाएगी। डीपी हमारे पास एनपीके है 1450 वाला। एनपीके है।
Shopkeeper Ritesh showed us sacks of NPK to win our trust.
किस चीज में डालना है आपने?
फार्म हाउस में।
रजिस्ट्रेशन कर देंगे उसी टाइम आपका। अरे वो फॉर्म का ही जो किला नंबर होगा ना वही डाल देंगे। उसी से ही हो जाएगा। दिल्ली का यार। और क्या चाहिए?
भाई यही चाहिए 10 कट्टे 10 कट्टे डीएपी दे दो। अच्छा एनपीके आपको तो
आप डीएपी प्रेफर करोगे तो डीएपी भी हो जाएगा। उसके 1360 रुपये का रेट है। तो जो आप कहोगे एनपीके का एनपीके, डीएपी कहोगे डीएपी भी मिल जाएगा।
ठीक है रितेश भाई, मैं फोन कर दूंगा।
We clarified to Ritesh that we did not have an Aadhaar card and that we needed to take the 20 bags of fertilizer to Delhi. Despite this, Ritesh struck a deal with us, saying that he would show the sale against his own land holdings.
लेकिन हमारे पास भाई हम बोल रहे हैं दिल्ली में तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी। नहीं ये भेज देना टेम्पो गाड़ी भेज देंगे, वो हम हमारी हटा के बाकी और तो कुछ नहीं होगा। अगर आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन तो मैं ट्राई कर लूँगा, हो जाएगा तो ठीक है, नहीं तो कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। ठीक है, थैंक यू। नहीं तो फिर हम जैसे अपने हमारे नाम है कुछ किले, उसी में ठीक।
Next, we went to Sonepat in Haryana, where we met Chirag, who runs the Shiv Agricultural Store located in the Kundli area. The pattern here was the same, chemical fertilizers being sold openly.
डीएपी मिल जाएगी, डीएपी मिल जाएगी, कितना चाहिए? और एनपीके
और यूरिया
सफेद रंग का यूरिया पड़ेगा 270 और 220 490 रुपए का।
We told Chirag very clearly that we are from Delhi and that the fertilizers have to be taken to a farmhouse there. Chirag spoke to someone on the phone and he did not ask for any address or ID proof from us.
यूरिया डीएपी
दोनों ही दे दो।
कितने 10 कट्टे यूरिया 10 कट्टे डीएपी फार्म हाउस की चाहिए और आधार कार्ड इनके पास है नहीं पा। ठीक है, 1550 का डीएपी पड़ेगा, 380 का यूरिया जी। इसका यूरिया है ना, जो यूरिया के साथ 5 बोतल लेनी पड़ेगी अपने नैनो यूरिया की, कोई नहीं मिल जाएगा।
Basai village in Noor district of Haryana, the same area from where the doctor terrorist Mohammad Umar had purchased fertilizers for making his car bomb. Here we met Pappu, an expert in blasting rocks in the Aravali hills. We told him that we needed 5 kgs of explosives to blast rocks.
और ये बारूद की जिम्मे आज ही कर लूँगा, बस अभी कर लूँगा, बात फिर कहीं रहें जा रहे हैं तो चल जाएगा 5 से 12।
Pappu described the properties of this explosive powder and also how it is used in stone quarries.
ठीक है, तो फिर आप ले लोगे, फिर मैं आपको बता दूँ कैसे होगा। बात अभी डाल दीजिएगी फोन पर, तो ये बारूद आप जो गिरवाओगे ये वो क्वारी वाले माइनिंग वाले जी ऐसी आवेगी, जैसे मतलब देखो यूरिया खास ना आवेगी, सफेद ऐसा आवेगी। बत्ती चाहिए, बत्ती भी चाहिए। हाँ, बत्ती भी चाहिए, जब चलेगा तो बत्ती सही। मुझे बारूद का रेट पता करके बता दो आप। ठीक है जी, और मुझे 5 किलो के करीब चाहिए, है ना? ठीक है, आज बता दूंगा जी आप।
The other ingredient needed for an improvised explosive device is fuel oil. We struck a deal to buy loose petrol at a fuel pump near Basai village in Noor district.
खुला पेट्रोल दे दोगे? हाँ, वो तो होनी चाहिए आपके पास बोतल कुछ। 5 से कैन लियो मैं। हाँ दे। मैं अपने ड्राइवर को भेज दूंगा, है? अच्छा, तुम 500 रुपये का दे दीजिए, है?
We just showed you how easy it is to go around shopping for all the ingredients that make up a lethal crude bomb. These unregulated markets of Delhi NCR pose a direct threat to the security of the country. For a few thousand rupees, one can easily procure urea, NPK, ammonium nitrate, mining explosives, and loose petrol. Anytime, anywhere. With Nitin Jain and Rajesh Khatri, it's a special investigation report for India Today.